Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you're doing well. We're doing great. Wow. We're continuing our trip, and guess what? It's our first day in Salalah. Today, we prayed in a place called Athen, and now we're heading to Athen Mountain. Just look at the atmosphere. So nice. Next, we're going to check out Ayn Korr Waterfall. Ah, it's such a beautiful spot. The air is so cool and fresh thanks to the mist rising from the falls. Anas wants to say something. What's up, Anas?
I'm super happy on this amazing trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.
Wow, we've made it to Ayn Korr Waterfall, and it's amazing. We took a little break here and enjoyed some ice cream. Yum. Ah, just look at the beautiful atmosphere and the stunning views around us. There's a sign saying only four-wheel drive cars should go to the waterfall area, but we've also seen some small cars making it there too. Really? Yep, the views here are just so beautiful. You've got to see it for yourself. Yay! We finally made it to the waterfall area, and let me tell you, it was totally worth it, even though it was a bit tricky to get here. Wow! Now we're going to get up close and take some awesome pictures. Ah, just look at the waterfall from a distance. So beautiful and refreshing. This place is truly amazing. Wow, look at Rayan and Anas. They're having so much fun here. If you're looking for a peaceful getaway, Ayn Korr Waterfall in Salalah is a must visit. Surrounded by lush greenery, this place is absolutely amazing. Ah, the cool mist and the sound of the water cascading down the cliffs make it such a relaxing spot. Really, this place feels like a hidden gem. Don't miss out. And hey, make sure to subscribe, like the video, hit the notification bell, and share it with your friends for more awesome adventures. Enjoy the moment.
مليان شجر. المويه جدا نظيفة. هذا الشلال. ومليان طحالب في على الجبال من كثر المويه النازله. شوفوا المويه كيف نظيفه وصافيه. شوفوا الشلال بينزل، المويه بتنزل بسرعه من فوق الجبل. وريان والناس يحاولوا يقربوا أكثر من المكان.
Aba, هيصورني وانا قاعد هنا من الناس كده.
يلا اروح.
ريان نطلع فوق كده.
بابا ايش في الاشياء السوداء؟
Wow, that was our adventure at the Ayn Korr Waterfall in Salalah. Mashallah, what an amazing view. The waterfall and the mountains are so beautiful. Really, you have to come and see it for yourself. Yay, we've got more adventures coming up, so stay with us.